Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you work in the medical field or you have a need for looking into people's ears, then I want to show you the Welch Allyn otoscope head. This is a macro view otoscope, so it has a really nice magnification. So it allows you to have a really good view inside of the ear and to check out the tympanic membrane or eardrum. So if you are somebody who needs to do that, then this is a really great option. So my husband works as a hearing instrument specialist and he uses this all the time to look into people's ears and to help them out with whatever is going on. So the nice thing about this is you can use this with your Welch Allyn otoscope handle, and it has a light attachment to it, so you get a really nice clear visualization and a nice magnification as well on the side here, which is really easy to adjust. And a cool thing about this is that when you have the ear specula on, it holds it really nice and tight so it's not going to come off, and when you want to eject it, it's a really quick little twist of this guy right here and it ejects the specula cover, so you can pop it right into the garbage or whatever and it's out of the way. So very easy to handle and comfortable to use and does a really great job. So that's what we love about it, and that's my point of view.